Ever wonder how the food on your plate influences the thoughts in your head? Ponder no longer as we delve into the fascinating world of brain health and nutrition. Welcome to a journey where science meets the dinner table. Throughout history, the human brain, a mere 2% of the body's total weight, has mystified researchers and scientists alike. As the control center of our bodies, it's a powerhouse that requires quality fuel to function optimally. We kick off with a snippet from an interview with Dr. Amelia Harper, a leading nutritionist. She asserts, "The connection between diet and brain health is stronger than ever. Foods rich in antioxidants, good fats, vitamins and minerals provide energy and aid in protecting against brain diseases." Next, we hear from neurologist Dr. Benjamin Carter, who emphasizes the importance of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are key building blocks for the brain and are vital for learning and memory. Foods like oily fish, walnuts and flax seeds are excellent sources. Moving on, we'll explore the realm of cognitive exercises. Just as physical workouts tone our bodies, cognitive exercises help keep our brains sharp and agile. Brain health expert Dr. Lydia Torres shares her insights. Activities that challenge our brains, like puzzles, reading and learning new skills, stimulate new connections between nerve cells, which can help generate new brain cells. Let's not forget the role of lifestyle habits in promoting brain health. Sleep, for instance, plays a vital role in the consolidation of memories and learning. Sleep scientist Dr. Robert King explains, "During sleep, your brain is busy processing information from the day, forming new pathways to help you learn and remember information. Quality sleep is, therefore, paramount for optimal brain function." To recap, brain health and nutrition are interconnected in complex and remarkable ways. A diet rich in brain-boosting foods, engaging in cognitive exercises, and maintaining healthy lifestyle habits like getting enough sleep all contribute to mental wellness. So the next time you're about to take a bite of that salmon fillet or crack open a book, remember, you're not just feeding your body or passing time, you're nourishing your brain, enhancing your cognitive abilities, and promoting your overall mental wellness. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Remember, the power to boost your brain health is, quite literally, in your hands, or rather, on your forks. Until next time, bon appetit and brain health to you all.